Hi, my name is Taeyin. I'm an educator and co-founder of InterAction, and I like to think that InterAction exists to bring about a world where all young people of color can flourish and live long lives. And that's why today I want to talk to you about racial stress. Racial stress is real. Neurobiologists have found that racial stress and racial trauma is handed down 6 to 7 generations in our DNA. In addition to that, Dr. Joy DeGruy have coined the term post-traumatic slave syndrome to shine light into how we have still residual impacts of slavery. The psychological impacts of racial stress include increased depression, anxiety, isolation, stereotype threat, imposter syndrome, and more. And the physiological impacts of racial stress include increased muscle tension, hypertension, breast cancer, common colds, heart disease, and increased rates of mortality. Naming and recognizing racial stress is the first step towards taking care of ourselves as people of color. Next episode, we will talk more about how to process racial stress and also take relief from it. Okay, see you soon.